All glands are made of epithelial cells. Most exocrine glands, those glands which are secreting products from the body, are multicellular and release their products through ducts. However, exocrine glands can be unicellular, and the primary type of unicellular exocrine gland is known as goblet cells. These goblet cells produce glycoproteins in their Golgi, which then attach large numbers of carbohydrate groups known as glycans. These glycans allow these proteins known as mucins to trap water and thus produce the mucus secretions with which both lubricate the surfaces of epithelia and also protect epithelia. These secretions are produced primarily through merocrine secretion, although they can also be released through apocrine secretion. Goblet cells can be found in a number of regions of the body, such as the reproductive tract, mammary glands, but they are primarily found along respiratory passageways, as is depicted here, and the mucus which they produce trap debris, smoke, dust particles, diesel particles, so that the ciliated cells can then sweep the mucus which has trapped the debris away from the lungs. Goblet cells are also common along the digestive tract, primarily in the small intestine, the oral cavity, and very densely packed in the large intestine, as you can see here. These images are of goblet cells where the products that will be secreted are stained in blue. The mucin glycoproteins can vary from one part of the body to another. The human genome includes at least 9 mucin genes, and thus the one gene may primarily be expressed in the nasal cavity, one in the respiratory tract, one in the digestive tract. There can be disorders when mucin is underproduced or one of these glands, one of these genes is mutated, and there are some disorders associated with an excessive production of mucin. This can sometimes contribute to the problems of asthma, where this has been noted in some cancer cells.